Hi guys, a notice popped up on the dash of my 2014 Volkswagen Touareg, and it said to replace the battery in the key. So here is the key, and it's to be the same from 2011 to 2017. So I've got a 2014. Now I went online, I looked on YouTube, and I looked at a bunch of videos, and I couldn't get the thing open, and I was getting pretty frustrated. So finally I figured it out. So this video is a little bit different than the other ones out there. So this is what I did. So the first step is the same as all the others. You want to release this. So just push on the Volkswagen button and it pops open. And then there's a button that's right here, and you want to pull this emergency key out. So you hold it like this and bend it over, and your index finger will push down that button as you pull, and you also have to push on the Volkswagen button at the same time, and there it comes out, not a problem. Okay, so the harder part was getting this off. So the battery is behind here, so we got a hole right there, and they say to put a little screwdriver in there and pull down, and this will pop open. Well, that didn't happen. So I got a number of tools here. So I've got a small slotted screwdriver here. And this one's a little bit finer. And then I've got this hole punch. So let's try this one first. So I slipped it in here, and then you want to pull this way. And there's a spring in there, and it's supposed to activate a little latch right at the top here, and this should pop open. Okay, so I'm trying that, and it's just not doing it. Okay, and I have two keys, and I couldn't get it. So let's try this one here. It's a little bit smaller, and it's not working. Okay, it's not working. Okay, then I tried this. Okay, it's got a fine tip on it, and it gets in there a little easier. And let's hope that I can do it. So there, I have to actually pull. I had to pull on this as I was releasing it. So you can see the little hook there, and it catches right in there. So that's it. So that was the trick. I used this tool. This worked the best, and I had to pull with my nail, get my nail in there and pull it out. I had the same problem with both keys. Okay, so that's the hard part. Now it's just the final getting the tray out, and you can use your nail or your screwdriver there, and that's it. It's upside down. And there it is. And it's a CR2032. There it is. So that's the new battery that I put in. And that is it. So we put it back in, make sure it's the right way. That's it. Okay, and then this just goes back on like so. It'll hear a click. There it is. And then that goes on. That clicks in. Push the button and it'll light up. There it is. It's working. That's it. Thanks for watching.